Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Scorpios. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Scorpios. So let's start with these cards here. We have Five of Suns, Fortune's Wheel, and Ten of Stars. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are, quite confused about something. Maybe you are working hard, trying to do your best, and maybe in your circumstances you see some difficulty, something is not happening as expected, and you feel that there may be people working against you, and maybe Scorpios, you have what you need right in front of you, but you do not see it. It is a blessing that has been given to you, but you do not understand that it is there. You do not see the reality because it is already here with you, right in front of you. So you do not understand its worth. So it may be the case in your work circumstances or in your relationship, guys, Scorpios. So you have this person, maybe you are trying to see things from a different perspective. Maybe you're expecting too much, and if you want to have that positive relationship, you must go for open communication. Maybe this person is someone good, someone a really good person you have, but you do not see their worth because they are already here with you. And maybe you have some expectations and you're dreaming about someone much better than this person, and you are really proud about yourself, proud about your qualities, or whatever achievements that you have in life. That may be the reason you feel really sad or lost seeing this person, because you feel that they are in no way equal to you, and you feel that you are much better than them, and that is the reason you feel really sad or stressed and dejected because you have this person here with you, Scorpios. Disappointed, that is what you feel. Disappointment, a lot of disappointment in this relationship with this person, because you expected something, you expect dream qualities. You are not seeing the truth, seeing reality, but circumstances are unfolding as it should. Maybe it is your destiny. You are with this person, and certain things may go right, certain things may go wrong. It is all to be blamed on your destiny, Scorpios. So maybe on certain things this person is really good. They love you, they are honest, but your ideas or your expectations may be too high. That may be the reason you feel really dejected and disappointed, Scorpios. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Astronomer of Spheres in reverse. So with this person, maybe in this relationship, you do not trust them and you feel that they are here because of some intentions. Maybe they are intentionally here with you. So this may be your feeling towards them or their feeling towards you, and they are here to make use of you or take revenge on you for some reason. You don't know what it is and you do not trust them. You do not trust this person, Scorpios, or maybe that they do not trust you. So some confusion or things are not going good in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card. It is Neophyte of Moons. So with this card, in your work circumstances, you are going to see the clarity, whatever you need to do, maybe to change, and you are dedicated to whatever you are doing right now, and that is going to take you towards success, all that hard work and dedication, Scorpios. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are holding on to some ideas or maybe some belief you have, and you are not willing to let go of it. And though you are with people who care for you, who love you a lot, you feel really lonely because you are, holding on to some belief system or something, and you need to connect to it on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you are doing something, maybe practicing some rituals or holding on to something very deep, something very secretively, and you feel really happy to be in that space, to have that alone time, be in that space, because you have a lot of imagination and you are someone who loves that time with yourself. And today you may not like the people who are disturbing it, and you even fear letting people so close to you that they will come to know what you are deep down, what you are really. So you just keep them away, a step away, shielding yourself. But today the energy with this card is, maybe at least for a moment, you should let go of this obsession or maybe you should not hide yourself so secretly. You must let at least one person, someone who is truly concerned about you, who truly loves you, to let them come closer to you, let them in. That is going to change, at least for a moment. So you must let go of all your obsession, or maybe you are pushing certain people away from you because you are scared that it will affect that delicate balance you have. And your inner world is much richer than your outer world, so you simply enjoy in that space, in that alone time. But today you need to what to say, if you want to recreate your world in a better way, you must willingly, consciously allow someone close to you that is going to impact you in a positive way. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, Archangel Raphael. So with this card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel stands for healing, and this angel protects us when we are traveling. So if you are traveling, you can pray to this angel for a safe travel. And also this angel card just means that we are healing emotionally, physically and spiritually. So it just helps us, this angel influences us to take up a healthy lifestyle, what will make us heal physically. At the same way, what is emotional healing? Giving up all those toxic feelings that we have. So this angel also assists us in that, and it gives us insight into what is beneficial for us, what is beneficial for us mentally, what is good for us physically, and what is the right thing for us emotionally and spiritually. And this angel stands for healing power, guys. So you can pray to this angel, or you are on the path to healing. So you are changing your lifestyle, trying to do things in a better way, improving your health, and even in your personal life. Maybe you are hurt about something, or you're feeling hurt. You should give up all that hurt, and you must try to be more positive. Give up all those toxic feelings of hurt, resentment, guilt, whatever you have, and move towards positive feelings. Be aware of your circumstances and the blessings that you have in your life today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.